Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we are going to look at the General Motors Collection Series number 2. Let me open it up. We'll get right into the review. Alright, now that we have it opened up, let's take a peek inside. Let's start off with my most favorite, which is the 2017 Chevy Camaro SS. It actually is a very nice color scheme. Really like the gray with the black stripes. I think it looks very nice. And also those rims look really good. Let's turn it towards the front here. The detail on it is just amazing. Greenlight did a wonderful job with the SS. Trying to cover up the light as best as possible. License plate says GM on it, so it's really cool. There's a look from the top. Very nice. I really like the 6th gen Camaro, so I've been picking up pieces here and there, trying to catch up best as possible. I don't think I picked this one up, unless if I did, I might have made a mistake. But no, I think I picked up the correct case here. Here's the 2013 Chevy Corvette C6 convertible. This is a black? It's hard to tell. I think it's a black. Very nice color. To kind of throw you off a little bit. Same thing, we got the GM license plate here. There we go. That might be a little bit better, I guess. Very nice. Very good detail. Ooh. Oh. Next we got the 2017 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. And this one appears to have a little bit of extra for me on the windshield here. Can't tell if that's paint or tape, but it's on there. This one snuck out of the factory, I guess. But I really like the red stripe and the red interior on the white and black. It looks really nice. This one was really cool. I'm going to have to find another one of these to open up, I guess. It's really cool. Really like the rims. I think they did a great job with those too. Very nice detail. The other one was the coupe. This one is the convertible. Like I said, this one's very nice. And a little bit of extra on there, too. So far, no green machines. That's alright. Now we got the 2012 Corvette Z06. This one is black and yellow. Or yellow and black, I should say. Black stripe. Really nice, kind of a bumblebee feel, which I hope Greenlight will make if they haven't made it yet. But like I said, this is very cool, very nice detail. So far I've been getting lower production numbers. These are all in the 1000s, which is a little bit lower than I normally get. Oh ho ho! This little guy. Got myself a green machine right here. The 2017 Chevy Bolt EV. Oh man, I actually wanted this one too. That's really cool. So I ended up getting this one as the green machine. Awesome. Really like this blue color. I think it's very nice. It is a green machine in the 1000s, but it's alright. Still like it. Really glad to have this one. I was actually hoping for the Chevy Silverado to be the green machine, but this one, I'll take it. It's awesome. Really like this little car. I think it's adorable looking, and I'm very happy for myself for getting this one. Awesome find. Really like it. There is a project I am working on. I will announce that later on. Hopefully you guys will be 100% supportive of that. And like I said, I'll mention that in the near future when I get to that point. But right here we got the 2015 Chevy Silverado Rally Edition. This one is seriously one of my favorite releases of the Silverado. This one actually is in the 2000s, nearly at the 3000 production number. But I really like, let's take a closer look here. I really like that front. I think it looks cool. The rear, I really like how the stripe actually, it starts from the hood there and then it goes to the tailgate. It would be really cool if it was on the roof, but you know, this truck is a little bit lifted, so nobody will see that. But other than that, very, very nice truck. Really like the little detail that they did right under the window there. It's really cool. Really like those wheels too. Like I said, very excited for this, but I'm also excited for this one because I've been waiting for that one for a while too. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick review of this stuff. Actually, 6 minutes. But there are a lot of you who really enjoy my channel, and I thank you guys so much for that. And I'll be seeing you guys in the near future. Bye-bye.